This is what we are to expect for the day on gold. Today's video is brought to you by Forex. With Forex, you can gain access to over 300 trading instruments from the crypto to stocks to indices, and Forex with also futures with convenient mobile trading that can help you stay connected to the market. Forex is currently offering an exciting promotional opportunities, including 30% deposit bonus and the X bonus promotion, whereby the bonus can go up to about 1000 times your deposit. Right, to be part of this, make sure you visit instaforex.com. You will also find the link in the description. So open an account, deposit, and you gain access to about 30% of what you deposited. Now this is it right here on gold. Clearly gold has literally dropped to this movement, so it has literally dropped. We were not really expecting such a move, but it is not of a surprise. Remember guys, your bias should always be flexible, not rigid. You should always be flexible. Now that market has literally dropped, let's go down to our daily time frame. So we can see this as a pullback level. If you have to zoom it out, you can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend move, whereby we had this impulsive move, which is our high, and then there was a pullback, which is the higher low. Markets was now able to give us a new high, which is a new higher high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market then was able to give us another bullish move, which is a new higher high. Here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market then give us another new bullish move, which is a new higher high. Here comes a pullback, which is an higher low. So of course, you all know in the long run, market should be able to push up to form a new higher high. But for today, I believe market should be able to push up to a level of, which we can target a level of 46,000 4,632. So about 4,632. Let's see, that is what we are to expect targets for the day on gold. We are likely to break above it. Gold is likely to smash above it. But this is a level of 4,631 is what we are to expect. That is about 200 plus pips to be made on gold. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So if you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit instaforex.com to gain access to this opportunity and offer that is currently ongoing.